How to use Timeline Scrubber in Articulate Storyline 360. For a more efficient approach to observing when timed elements appear and disappear on the slide stage without having to preview the entire slide, you can utilize a straightforward method. Start by selecting the timeline. Once you've done that, employ a simple click and drag action on the playhead to gain insight into the timing and animation aspects. It's important to note that during this scrubbing process, the layers and triggers on the slide stage won't be visible. To rectify this and obtain a comprehensive view of all the slide's elements, you have the option to either click on the timeline visualization icon or press the convenient shortcut, which is Ctrl+H. This will grant you access to the exact representation of slide elements and their timing. To revert to the default view, simply disable this option, which will once again display all stage elements at once.